welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that, he never give up. You always keep trying. And that's a good attitude to have. Never giving up, always pushing towards your goal in life is a big thing. And no matter how many times you fall down on your face, you have to keep getting up, brushing yourself off, and keep going, because it's not one time that you're going to fall. You're going to fall over and over again, but getting up is the thing. Get up, brush yourself off, and keep moving. So he's also saying that people are supposed to come out and say how they impacted other people's lives, by helping them, maybe, by giving them money, or even uplifting them, impacting their lives in a positive way. And that's also, something that we should think about in life. How did you impact someone's life on a positive way? How did you help that person, And so he's doing his thing, and he's talking over there. So go and catch the video. No? Yeah, it's still about Saloni, but go catch the video. And please watch, like, and subscribe to the channel now.
I just remember that it was on someone's story, but she cussed me out bad on Instagram on someone's page. Right? I'm like, listen, all because I didn't give her my money that time. I said, oh, see, I come back to my. I confronted her about it. She said, oh, I said, all right, cool. And look at it, your true colors come out yesterday because you realize I'm not giving you no more my money. I said, you have a fully monetized page. Take advantage of your page. Yes, I am to be blamed, Nordy. I am to be blamed. I am too free-handed. I'm too enough. I know funny thing. You know, all along when people was cussing me out, right, telling me, oh, my teeth, this and my teeth, that, all they were saying, I took 50,000 from her. And funny thing, I'm very sure even all those times I gave her way more than 50,000. They said 50,000 when it gives me teeth for her until this day. And funny thing, I didn't even add all of that money into it because I don't want to add it in there. Because want to know. Listen, let them hold what they hold, and I will hold what I hold. As long as I know who I am, and I know that God, listen, don't you guys realize God is propelling me slowly but surely. God continues to propel me to newer and higher levels, and all of you is remaining stagnant because on the art don't clean. Without people giving you guys strength, on the now gone away. And don't you guys realize how many times want to tear me down? Who you people, you tear me down all the time. And I always come back by the grace of God. Because guess me, I'm the kind of person, I never give up. Especially when I put my mind to something, I never give up. It's like me working. When I wanted the job, I never give up until I got the job that I need. I never. See me, I'm the kind of person, I never give up. Especially when I put my mind to something, I never give up. It's like me working. When I wanted the job, I never give up until I got the job that I need. I always say the right thing. I'm good. I'm good. Who want to call me demon? Go right ahead. I could care less. On a wish I'm going to walk on my shows. On a wish. Right? Let's talk about how many people's lives on the impact panya with no one money. Talk about when I go up on life, talk about how many people's life on the impact with no one money. Not money want to pick up with no one money. Your own monies. Talk about that. Don't try and tear me down. Don't tear me down. Who are you people? Me know if I'm knowing I live in England. Enough people on my page I give money to. Enough of them on here running up and down right now I give money to. I don't even talk about it. I don't even talk about it because that is not who I am. I give because I want to give to them. When I said, Dwayne, I need the help for the X. I said, all right, check back this thing. And I always give it to them. When it's too bright. Stop trying to tear me down. Tiny people doing too much. And then again, me not care, me not expect
me never take off you, no ungrateful. I just show me know you and it's rub off by you. Cause you know my godmother and your grandmother is rub off by me.
You ain't beg me nothing.
Just like you're doing.
Yeah, she telling me it's me that was on her page. And it's a whole girl who was commenting.
Oh my godmother, we are no family, but we are near family. That's why rub off for me ungrateful. Cause if me never know you, say your grandmother and my godmother, me only know ungrateful doing.
When you are them liberty, yeah?
Ungrateful. You doing Fletcher, you make me know ungrateful.
All right, girl.
CarlosSmith. Ungrateful. Doing another you. Yes, I doing a you me take off for. Cause me no know about ungrateful until me meet you. When me know you on my stand program, I this so I first me know ungrateful and when me know you.
You hear
when
this?
Stand I build me house. So me get to know ungrateful.